Hey, how are you today, my friend? Did your long busy day finally end?
Yes, the day was long, but now I feel fine. Talking to you is like warm sunshine. How about you? Feeling bright or low? Tell me slowly. Let the feelings flow.
I'm okay. I'm steady. I'm trying to rest. Chatting with you feels calm and best.
I like online chatting. It feels so free. I can talk openly. Just be me. No rush. No noise. No crowded place. Just soft typed words at my own pace.
Same here. Online chats feel like air. Light. Gentle. Easy to share. Sometimes in real life I feel shy. But online, my thoughts simply fly.
Yes, online words help shy hearts speak. Help strong minds pause. Help tired souls seek.
When life feels heavy, chatting feels light. It brings back color, removes the night. Just a simple hi typed slow and sweet. Feels like sunshine walking on my feet.
That's true. It changes the day's mood. Turns stress into something good. Sometimes talking helps us heal. Helps us think. Helps us feel.
But you know, not everyone chats kind. Some people forget to use their mind.
Yes, but kindness is key. Soft words make hearts feel free. When we chat with good intention, we build a lovely connection.
Every word, even small, can lift a person when they fall.
Do you like long chats or short replies? Do you like fast typing or calm surprise?
I like slow, calm chats that gently flow, where every word has a peaceful glow. Fast chats feel like a running race, while calm ones bring a smiling face.
Same here. I enjoy slow pace too. Feels soft. Feels warm. Feels true.
Funny thing is, even without seeing, words show heart. Words show feeling. A simple emoji, a gentle line, says I'm here, I'm fine.
Yes, emotions travel through text. Sentence after sentence. Next to next. Sometimes the heart speaks more online. More than in face-to-face time.
But sometimes text can confuse, when words hide the emotional clues.
True. Tone is missing. Voice is gone. So some messages feel right. Some wrong. That's why slow typing helps a lot. It clears the mind. Untangles the knot.
Yes, patience makes chatting beautiful. A calm heart makes life wonderful.
Why do you chat mostly? Fun or advice? Or just to make the day feel nice?
A bit of everything, I would say. Words help brighten a boring day. Sometimes I chat to learn and grow. Sometimes I chat just to take it slow.
I chat to share, to think, to unwind, to leave stress and worries behind.
You know, online chatting builds trust, little by little, slowly, it must. With time, comfort starts to grow, like a river that learns to flow.
Yes, strangers become friends this way. Through calm words shared every day, one simple hello becomes something more, like opening a soft, warm door.
Exactly, that's the beauty I see in online chatting's simplicity.
Sometimes I learn new things from chats, new ideas, new thoughts, just like that.
Same here, chatting improves my speech, helps me understand what people teach. It makes English easy and bright, like stars glowing in the night.
Beautiful rhyme, soft and clear, feels calm to hear.
But safety matters in chat as well. Some stories online are hard to tell.
True. We must protect what we share. Be careful. Be calm. Stay aware. No personal details. No private things. Just safe words with gentle wings.
Yes, that's the rule I also follow. Makes chatting peaceful, never hollow.
Do you like long goodbyes or short ones said? Do you type bye or take care ahead?
I like warm goodbyes. Calm and light. Words that make the end feel bright. Something like good night. Rest well. Feels soft. Feels lovely. Like a spell.
Same here. Small caring lines create sweet emotional signs.
But we shouldn't chat all day long. Too much of anything becomes wrong.
Yes. Balance is the key to keep life outside is wide and deep. We chat, we live, we walk, we play, everything in its own time of day.
A perfect balance makes life sweet. A gentle rhythm, a stable beat.
Talking to you today felt nice, soft, calm, deep, like melting ice. We shared thoughts, we shared heart. I enjoyed every little part.
Same here. Our talk was slow and kind, with gentle words that ease the mind. Online chatting, when done right, feels warm like soft morning light. You know, one sweet part of chatting is this, that tiny pause, that gentle bliss, when you wait for a message to appear, slowly, softly, like I'm still here.
Yes, that waiting feels warm somehow, like a hand wave, like a little bow. When the typing dots come and go, it feels like a heartbeat saying hello.
Exactly. It creates a quiet thrill, small but sweet, warm and still.
Even a message sound feels nice, like cool rain falling on warm rice. A small ding can lift your day, make worries slowly drift away.
Haha, yes. That tiny ring feels like a bird with gentle wing. It brings a smile without a reason, feels like joy in any season.
Amazing how simple things can be, but still fill hearts with energy.
I like how we share small things too, like I made tea or sky is blue. Little moments, soft and light, make a dull day feel just right.
Yes, small updates feel so pure, like simple happiness written in words. We share what we feel, what we do, and somehow it brings us closer to.
Every message is like a thread, connecting minds, connecting spread.
Sometimes, chatting saves the mind. When the world feels cold or unkind, talking online gives gentle support, like a safe space, a peaceful port.
True. Some days are heavy to carry, thoughts feel deep, dark, scary, but one calm message from someone near makes the storm inside disappear.
Words heal, even when typed slow. They bring back courage, help us grow.
So, chatting online is more than it seems. It's comfort, learning, hopes and dreams. A little text, a little rhyme, makes a moment beautiful in time.
Yes, chatting builds bridges heart to heart, even when people are miles apart. Words connect the world with grace, even without seeing a face.
Soft chat, kind chat, slow chat too, makes life peaceful, fresh like dew.
And with that, I think our talk is done. Calm, warm, gentle, like evening sun.